May the Noble Triple Gem bless you. Today I am going to explain you several benefits of robe offering ceremony or Katina. Almost all the Buddhists all over the world are very eager to perform this great meritorious action. Therefore, this is the foremost great meritorious action which can be done by a Buddhist. I have done a video on Khatna ceremony, the origination of Khatina, and the reason why Buddha allowed Buddhist monks to accept a Khatna. Then these are discussed in detail in that video. Now I am going to explain you actually 3 benefits of Khatna ceremony. As far as Khatna ceremony is concerned, Most Venerable Nagit Thero, who was in Buddha's time, comes to our mind naturally. The reason why Venerable Nagit Thero comes to our mind naturally is Venerable Nagit Thero is the person who experienced, enjoyed most of consequences of Khatna ceremony. In Anavatatta pond, in the presence of Buddha and 500 Arahants, he clearly explained the results, the consequences he enjoyed in his sansaric journey as a result of offering a Khatna ceremony to Buddha and the community of Sangha. In Nagitapadana, he clearly explained what are those results. They are mentioned in Pali language. Then one of verses I am reciting as follows. Katina Danam Datvana Sangye Gunavaruttame Ito Tinse Mahakappe Nabijanami Dukkati. He never experienced bad realms for 30 eons. Eons means uncountable, unmeasurable period of time. Therefore, such a long period of time, he wasn't born in a bad realms. Bad realms means being a beast or being in hell. He was born in good realms such as divine and human worlds. The second benefit of Khatna ceremony is pointed out by Venerable Nagit Thero is as follows. Atta rasantam kappanam devaloke ramamaham chatuttinsak kattun devindu devarajya makarayam. The meaning of this Pali stanza is, he was born in heavenly world for 18 eons. In addition to that, he became the Shakra, the king of the god, for 24 times as a result of offering a Khatna robe to community of Sangha. These are the 3 benefits, 3 consequences of offering a Khatna robe to Mahasangha. You also can experience, enjoy these results by offering a Khatna ceremony. But you should not do such a meritorious action just with the thought of enjoying these benefits. But you should do such a great meritorious action with the pure intention of doing a great meritorious action with steadfast devotion, faith, and dedication. If you do such a great meritorious action with a pure intention, definitely you will be able to be born in good realms and you can get rid of bad realms. These are the benefits of this great meritorious action. I am going to explain several other benefits of this great meritorious action with another video. May the Noble Triple Gem bless you. May all beings be happy and safe.